What if your truck suddenly dropped into first gear while you're driving 70 miles per hour? Imagine the wheels locking, the engine screaming, and your family in the back seat as you fight to keep control. This isn't a hypothetical nightmare. It's a reality for drivers of nearly 1.3 million Ford F-150 trucks built between 2021 and 2024. Federal investigators are now digging into reports of dangerous, unexpected downshifts linked to 3 crashes. How did America's best-selling vehicle for over 40 years land in this mess? And what does it mean for you if you own one? The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has launched a formal investigation into Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission software after receiving over 130 complaints. Drivers describe terrifying moments where their trucks abruptly shift into first gear at highway speeds, causing sudden deceleration, skidding tires, or near misses with other vehicles. One driver reported the truck lunged forward like it was hit by a train during a highway merge, while another said their F-150 downshifted on an icy road, triggering a spinout. Ford's internal data shows the automaker flagged this issue as early as 2023, issuing a technical service bulletin to update transmission software for harsh downshifts. But NHTSA claims the fix doesn't work consistently, leaving thousands of trucks at risk. Mechanics familiar with the F-150's transmission say the problem likely ties to faulty speed sensors or flawed software calibration, issues that plagued earlier F-150 models in 2016 and 2019. Despite Ford's reputation for rugged reliability, this marks the 3rd major transmission probe in less than a decade. Owners are stuck in limbo. The NHTSA investigation could take months, and Ford hasn't committed to a recall. For now, the company quietly advises dealers to reprogram software during routine service visits. But many drivers only learn about the problem after experiencing a violent gear shift. If you own a 2021 to 2024 F-150, check your VIN on the NHTSA website for open recalls. Watch for dashboard warnings, jerking motions during acceleration, or unexplained RPM spikes. Don't wait for a crash. Contact your dealer immediately. This isn't just about repairs. Ford's credibility is on the line. The F-150 accounts for 40% of Ford's U.S. sales, and loyal buyers pay premiums for its built-tough image. But with the F-150 Lightning already facing battery recalls and now this transmission crisis, trust is eroding. A full-scale recall could cost Ford billions, but ignoring the problem risks lawsuits, lost sales, and worse, lives. If you drive one of these trucks, your safety depends on acting fast. Check your VIN. Demand answers from your dealer. Share this information with anyone you know who owns an F-150. This isn't the kind of risk you wait and see on. Ford built its legacy on reliability, but right now that legacy is in your hands. Stay ahead of the news. Document every symptom. And remember, a truck is only as tough as the company standing behind it.